now we're going to take on the kitchen. This unit is really nice. It's got a great foundation because there are really beautiful countertops. There are really nice cabinets. So we've got some good things to work with here, but functionally and visually, you can see these two gaps here that don't really make a lot of sense. So if they don't make sense to us, they're definitely not going to make sense to a potential buyer coming in here. So I'm going to think of some ideas and some materials, ways we could address this that'll be cost effective, but it'll also be functional. Because the more function we can add to the cosmetic details, the better it is. So with the task list in hand, I headed out to the stores to look for some ideas. And along the way, I happened to find this really awesome, small, easy to assemble stainless steel shelf unit. I think it was $60, and I had my tape measure with me. I took some dimensions because I knew what my opening was here, and brought it home, and it fits in great. So I just had to slide the oven over a little bit, and that baby fits in there just nice. But the problem I'm seeing now is a little bit too much stainless steel, because even though it's a nice material, it's desirable in the marketplace, too much of a good thing is too much. So I'm going to give my friend a call at a nearby shop in the neighborhood. I think we can come up with some good ideas to put a topper on this, have it make sense, and also be cost effective. So I'll be back shortly. Hey Monke, thanks for coming by. Good to see you. Okay, so this is the area I was talking about. I found this really cool shelf unit here, but I don't like all the stainless coming across this whole area. So I'd like to put a nice material on top, and we'll custom cut it so it fits in nice here. And then we'll do a custom cut so that maybe it's square here, or maybe we have a taper so it's real ergonomic reaching in at this corner. So I found two pieces for sale on Craigslist of butcher block. I think they're about 25 inches square. So I could bring those down. I would just need you to fabricate them. So maybe I can make a template, because I actually fabricated this guy out of a piece of cardboard. So I can get a fit and just get an overall look of what it would look like if we carried back to the wall. And I think it'll look pretty good. So I could probably even give you the exact dimensions and cut that. And then here I was thinking about possibly just a short squared off piece, like that might be wide enough for just a pot holder. Or maybe I could be a little bit slicker, a little more ergonomic, and have an angle cut. So like someone reaching down for the trash can, it just looks really cool. And I think it'll give it a great balance here, the nice natural wood brought in with the brick and the stainless steel. So if I got you the 1.5" butcher block, could you do those custom cuts?
That's not
give me a nice clean edge.
piece of cake.
Okay. And then I think on this side I'll have the leg so that it'll look custom. All right, so I'll head out today and get that, and get that over to the shop, and I'll give you a couple templates too. Make it easy.
Easy's better.
All right, thanks for coming by.
All right.
So I was able to find the perfect piece of butcher block to use for those two countertop spots on the side of the oven. I brought it to my friends down at Frank's Kitchen. They're going to do the custom cuts for me, take it back to the house, slide it into the spots,